This video, I just want to show you a basic email that I send people. And this is pertaining to LiveGood, or if you have just about any business where you need someone to open an email and click, this can work. Okay, let me just shrink my face. All right, in the middle of the screen here, you can freeze it, look at it, read it. It's very short, it's very sweet. Hey there, you might have already heard about this. Worth taking a look at. Check it out, free tour when you get a chance. Okay, I own pleasewatchvideo.com and a whole bunch of other ones. This will go ahead and go to a video where Ben, our CEO, talks. And, you know, it can go to a capture page. It can go to anything. It doesn't have to go to a LiveGood opportunity. And then at the bottom here, if you do these little alligator duck mouth thing with the percentage side first, underscore name. If you have a list with people's names, if you put this, hey, and then this here, it will automatically put their first name in. I don't really recommend doing this because it always seems like I get an email every day that says, hey, first blank name percentage. I'm like, okay, well, if my name is this, I guess that's addressed to me. But I think if you put, hey there, hello, it really depends on your personality. I never say, hey. For some reason, I think hey sounds more rude than hey there. And maybe it's my southern country boy that's trying to come out like, hey there, buddy. Or hey there, amigo. You know, listen to Matthew McConaughey going, hey there, you know, whatever. But the word hey, I don't know. I like the word hey there. You might have already heard about this. Worth taking a look at. Check out free tour when you get a chance. Please watch video. Okay. If you put this in your cell phone or in an email, I agree with this. I learned this technique a long time ago. I went to a seminar on how to make money online, and I had a young kid who's now probably 25 worth, I'd say about 10 million bucks. He gave me some advice on just making an email where you don't have the email go all the way over to the right to the left. So if I put about this after and it goes in this section, or if I put check out free tour when you get, and I'll just show you what I mean, like that. And one reason why is when you put a cell phone up to the screen, like it's a couple inches across, 5 inches down, just picture an iPhone or a Samsung, you have a better chance of reading it if it's like this. See how it's just 1, 2, 3, 4. It's like 5 words over, and then it's down. And then see there's a space. It's not like this. And I know that sometimes when you send an email, it might automatically do this, but I prefer something that looks like this. It's just more pleasing to the eye. You might have already heard about this. Worth taking a look. Check out free tour when you get a chance. I just like to speak like, hey, you know what? I know that this email, I'm asking you to do something, which is click and watch a free tour, but just do it when you get a chance. I'm always nervous when I send an email, even though I've sent 5 billion since 1994 when I kind of started doing the email internet thing. But when you send an email and you don't really know that person, maybe they've come to you for information, or it's a list where they're looking to make money or do this or do that. But I just like the email to be short, sweet, not offensive, and talk to them like they're a friend. And this is what I recommend when it comes to an email. When you just want someone to just open the darn thing, click, then they can make a decision. Do they want to watch a video? Do they want to read the website? And then afterwards, do they want to join something or learn something or purchase something? So my 2 points, I guess, of interest, if there is any interest to this video, is that 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Maybe go 5 or 6 words over, and then go ahead and finish the sentence underneath. Now, if you might have already heard this unbelievable, exciting opportunity. You know, if you got like 50 words, obviously I think it's a really long running sentence. I think that if you email somebody, I always call it the National Enquirer approach versus like where there's just 1,000 letters, 1,000 paragraphs. There's no breathing room. With this, I always notice the National Enquirer. I know that it's kind of gone at this point, but they just always had really easy reading, short sentences and spaces. So when you see this, it's just, you can literally read this little message probably from 15 feet away. Okay. And I love when you get a domain like this, because it's just like, please watch video. Oh, what's your domain? Please watch video. And see how I capitalize the P and the W and the V? I just think it looks better. And I'll show you the difference. Okay, so there's please watch video. And you can kind of still see, if you just look at that. But I've always preferred to do this. I'm real picky on my domains. I like them to just be smooth. I don't like them any more than 2 words, but right now, almost every phrase on the planet of planet Earth has been taken up by now with a domain. And you always want to get a .com if you can. .net or .org would probably be second and third choice. But there's a lot of weird dot places now, like .sport, .expert, .eu for Europe, .ca I think is Canada. But I always try to get .com. I think that's still the standard. It's like the Subway sandwich for sandwiches. McDonald's knows the cheeseburger, and I think the .com knows the domain. But anyway, so that's it. Hey there, you might have already heard about this. It's worth taking a look. Check out the free tour when you get a chance. Please watch video.com, Corey. I don't put love, Corey. I don't put greetings. I always know it's from Nigeria or some other country when they put best regards. In America, we don't say that. We say later, alligator, or kiss my ass goodbye. But whenever I get an email that says best regards, I'm like, hello, sir. What country are you trying to scam me from? And I know best regards is more common in Europe. I'm just kidding. So this video is just simply an email that I've done. It's very neutral. It's very genetic. It can be for just about any product that you can imagine under the sun, if that's what you want someone to look at. This one is just for LiveGood. We're a company that specializes in nutrition or wealth-oriented products for wholesale. All right, the membership is $9.95 a month. If you want to be an affiliate, it's $40 a month, one-time fee, that's it. And it's a very simple company. So if you're looking into LiveGood, check it out. Go to pleasewatchvideo.com. That really is my domain. It will take you on a journey and you can see if this business is for you. And if not, it's just great to meet you. At least you got to see a cool KISS t-shirt and a cool KISS drum set in back of my big giant forehead. So, okay, thanks for watching my video. And I know just about this time I got one popped up right by my ear here. So you guys have a good day and hopefully we'll see you down the road.